Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 581, and today I am going to discuss the best fruits and vegetables for aging process. If I say aging process means it's the premature aging. And what is aging? We should try to understand. Aging means where our body, especially the skin, face, and overall health, they are down. All parameters are down. Wrinkle is there. We don't have beautiful, shining, healthy skin. These are all factors. But how to add years into our life at the same time? If suppose we are adding the age means from 70 we are going to 100, means 30 years are added. But with sickness, with disease, with lot of pain, has no meaning. How to add youthfulness? How to add life with age? I want to see 100-year-old youth. That is the meaning of how to check premature aging. And in that case, first we have to see the chemical status of human being. We human beings, chemically speaking, we are fluid. Fluid means neither we are solid nor we are liquid. We are in between. And our body contains more than 60% water, around 65 to 70% is liquid, and 30 to 35% is solid. And that solid is in the form of protein, bone, amino acid, carbohydrate, fat. So they are solid. And these two, they are together. We are all human beings. And all these compounds, they are molecular in nature. They are made up of molecules. And these molecules are made up of atoms. Once carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, they combine together, we get protein. When carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, they combine together, we get carbohydrate in the form of cellulose or in the form of so many other derivatives. And when hydrocarbon join together, we get fat. So these are our molecular status. And these molecules, they are made up of atoms. And these atoms, they contain electron, proton, neutron. And these cells, they are made up of atoms. And your cell is having protein, nucleic acid, chromosomes, DNA, RNA. And that is called our cellular status. So first fluid, then molecular status, then cellular status. And when we are saying cells, they are made up of genetic material, fat, protein. And there are two determining factors, most important factors of aging. One is called biological clock. First one is called, that we call it biological clock is the clock inside our living cells. And this clock is adjusted by nature. And according to that, our cells are going and we are following aging process and even death. So within this process, starting from aging to death, with the help of our lifestyle and food, we may prolong this adjustment of biological clock. Otherwise, there is no way. On this planet, all animals, including we human beings, every one of us are having biological clock, and according to that, we are born, we are grown up from infant to young, then after some time we are aged, and finally we die. That is all controlled by our biological clock inside our cell. And the second one is, which is very important factor for our aging process, that is called, second is free radicals. Free radicals. Actually, the free radicals, they are the most damaging, and they are the ones responsible of our lot of problem of aging process, premature aging. And these free radicals, their sources are from two sides. One is internal source. Internal source means during metabolic process, during lot of reactions, oxidation, reduction reactions, lot of waste material is produced, and that waste material is in the form of free radicals. Free radical means they are lacking one electron, and they are capable of stealing one electron to complete their octet, and your normal cell is damaged. So the damaging of normal cell is aging process. If lot of free radicals are produced and they are not detoxified, they are not removed from our body, and if their quantity is in high, then we are under, that is called oxidative stress. It is called oxidative stress. Oxidative stress means the free radicals are outnumbered and they are damaging lot of our normal cells, and once they are damaging our lot of normal cells, means our total immune system will be compromised, will be low, and we can get any type of disease. They are directly, these free radical oxidative stress are directly linked to so many diseases. Like cancer is directly linked to oxidative stress. Alzheimer's, diabetes, cardiovascular problem, they are all one by one slowly linked to oxidative stress. So we have to reduce the oxidative stress. The second external factor is, that is your external contamination, that is environmental factor. The pollution of air, pollution of water, even indoor pollution, chemical pollution, like we are putting lot of chemicals, perfume or insecticide, pesticide, using lot of electronic gadget, that is pollution without particle. There are contributive factors, external factors to produce lot of free radicals. So two factors are responsible of pumping free radicals in our body. One is internal factor, other one is external factor. Now the question comes, how to reduce drastically these free radicals so that we are not subjected to premature aging? The only solution is flood your body, internal part, with nutrients, antioxidants. And these nutrients and antioxidants, they are from fruit and vegetable sources. They are the only ones which can protect us from premature aging. And we have the organs like kidney, like liver, like lung. They are actually doing detoxification, detoxifying our body, like kidney. In the form of urine, they are filtering. That's why we have to take such type of fruit and vegetable which are diuretic, which can make our urination normal and good. So for such urination diuretic foods are there, like all the melons, watermelon, and most of the vegetables and fruits, they contain from 85 to 98% water. So once you are taking fruit and vegetables, your body is already hydrated, your cells are hydrated. And if your cells are not hydrated, there will be aging and you will be subjected to premature aging, and secondly, your immune system will be low, poor. So it is also one of the methods to boost your immune system. Then, how to detoxify all this? Only by taking lot of fruit and vegetable, that is we call it high volume, low calorie and rich in nutrients. If I say nutrients means vitamin A, beta carotene is provitamin A, vitamin C, lot of citrus fruits, carrot is very rich in beta carotene, like grapes, like onion, garlic, they are all packed with antioxidants. So just to prolong your aging process, where your skin is not aged, and when I am saying aging, is not the only physical appearance. Sometimes there is aging of premature aging of your brain cells. You are subjected to dementia or Alzheimer's. So for this, you have to take such type of fruits so that oxidative stress is reduced there, and there is enough blood flow in your brain system so that your neurological cells are activated. Aging of your muscles, aging of your bone means you are suffering from osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis. So you have to take such type of foods which are rich in minerals. Anemia means you are poor in RBC. So there are a lot of fruits and vegetables. They are very rich source of all these nutrients. So these are packed with lot of antioxidants, lot of vitamins, lot of minerals, lot of enzymes also. For example, papaya is the best source of papain enzyme, and those enzymes are very good for digestion, very friendly with our gut bacteria. So shift to fruit and vegetables, high volume, low calorie. And if we are going for lot of meat, roasted, suya and fatty material, they are rich in calories. They will put lot of pressure on your digestive system. They are not full of nutrients. Please remember it. Two type of food is there. One which is very rich in nutrients. They are alkaline. They maintain your pH level of your body. They are all vegetable and fruits. The others are acidic, very rich in calories, like red meat, like fat, all the animal products. So reduce drastically the animal product and shift to fruit and vegetable. So here I have given some important fruits and vegetables, and I am actually targeting one by one. What are the vitamins in those vegetables and fruits and minerals, so that you can be selective. So here these are the this is part 1, and part 2 I will be discussing one by one. So they are citrus fruits. First thing, citrus fruits, they are very rich in vitamin C, beta carotene, vitamin A. First preference to citrus fruits like orange, like lemon, tangerine, and there are many like that, citrus fruit. Then second is onions. I cannot think of my life without onion. It's very important. Garlic, walnuts, all the oil-bearing nuts, means your almond, walnut, all this. Almond. DS. Almonds, strawberries, blueberries, very much packed with flavonoid, that is very powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory. Then broccoli, spinach, avocado, sweet potato, pomegranate seeds, that is in India called anar, is very good, very powerful for cardiovascular system and very rich in anti-inflammatory and antioxidants. And green cress means all dark green salad. So they are the best fruits and vegetables to delay your aging process, because we cannot say that it will stop your aging process, because already your cells are following biological clock. We can only readjust the biological clock by eating such type of fruits and vegetable. This is your part 1, and in part 2 I am going to discuss more. So take care of your cellular damage, molecular values, and antioxidant free radicals. Around this, if you are careful of your lifestyle, if you are not stressed, two type of stress, one is mental stress, second one is oxidative stress, definitely your chances are drastically reduced to get the disease, especially cancer or metabolic disorder, diabetes, etc. So with this I will start. Thank you very much for watching the lecture, and in the next lecture part 2 I am going to discuss some of these fruits and vegetables one by one.